Hi everyone. So for my Stackathon project, I made an app called TagPro-Stats. TagPro is just a web game I play, and this app is just a single-page app that will let you search for and compare player stats among all the players in the game. So currently, there's over like 100,000 accounts in the game, but this database, I haven't fully seeded it yet. I'm expecting I tried to limit it to like 6,000 accounts, but right now there's about 2,500 accounts. So right away we can just search for there's different time periods here. If I can try and zoom in. Yeah. So we have just a few time periods here. All time just goes for all their stats. Rolling 300 goes for their last 300 games played. And then there's also a category for flares, which are just like collectible achievements that you can use in game. So we can search for like a variety of different stats here. There's some that are like rates per game, rates per hour. And all of these stats are just pulled from the game, the profile pages. So we can search like all-time win percent, and we get all these accounts, and we can sort through all the pages pretty quickly, even though there's like, see, 2,543 accounts in this database so far. Then if let's try this again, and oh, no, we're still at the end. So we can click on a single account. That'll take it to a single account page. We can see all their stats and all the ranks for every stat, including all the different timelines, and also their flares that they have, and also some other info about the accounts, like previous names. This is a special feature for the site. In the game, you can just change your name as often as you want, whenever you want, and that can get kind of confusing, because even well-known players will change their name, and people forget who they are, what their name was before. So this site will just, whenever it updates, if you change your name, it'll save this to this previous names field. You can also search for any player you want. For example, that's me. You can search. So this game is all about like balls, capturing flags, and whatnot. So a lot of people have names with a ball pun in it. It'll take a while, but you can see there's like 241 accounts found when you search for ball. And the final feature I'll show off is adding an account. So here's what the profile page looks like that we're scraping from the TagPro site. This is Jem, a full stack alumni. So we're going to try and add her account here. Add it. Oh, get an error. Let's try that one more time. Nope. Something's not working there. We'll check that out later. But basically, if you try and add an account, it will give you a message, say like, oh, the account was added, and it will redirect you to the account page, but the data won't be updated yet, because the data is built every hour based on everything that's in our database. And if you try and add an account that's already in the database, it'll just redirect you to that account. And if you just try like some fake URL, let's see if that's working. Yeah, it'll give you a warning there saying you need to provide a valid account. And that's really what I have so far, but I'm going to keep building on it, try to add some more like data visualization, and obviously try to fix the seeding of the database. So thanks.